Right, well, this is where I'm coming today. It's called Big Almaty Lake, and you can't actually approach the lake, which is pretty sensible, seeing as it's a water supply, I believe, anyway, I'm not sure, for half the city. But I've honestly reached my limit. Seriously, I think I climbed, God, it must be 2,500 meters. Right, today going to the Big Almaty Lake. It's a tough one. I've already ridden 90 minutes to get here. I'm not on my own today. This guy up in front, George, has agreed to come with me, not to pace me though. As you can see, I'm not doing very well if that's the case. Okay, the power cable's come down. I hope they turned them off, or something like that. They turned off themselves. Right, coming up here to the new dam, and the hairpin bends up it. There's steps up, and I fancy that more actually. Okay. Right, it speaks for itself, I suppose, as does this. It's not too bad, just I know I've got a long way to go, so I just can't push myself. Ще нормална просто. Right down the other side of the dam. I came down here once before they finished the surface and I misjudged this corner. I was pretty lucky I didn't end up going into that ditch. Right, heading up through the gorge, the Almaty gorge. It certainly feels big enough. We're halfway there. So, yes, gonna do it. Well, that shouldn't be in any question of how fast it is. Never mind. Right, well, it's getting really tough now, and I'm not too far from the top, but it's going to be a tough last 6-7 kilometers. Well, the views are good. I'm going to give it its dues. Now, looking at the map on Strava, it doesn't appear to be very far. Just feels it. I just didn't know there was any downhill. I just done it. Wow, about a kilometre downhill. That felt good. Bloody hell. Been riding uphill now for about 4 hours. God, don't get me wrong, I love it, but you get these little respite periods, and that's it. You got to enjoy them. So I guess it must be about 3 kilometers to the top now. So again, sorry if I keep repeating myself, but I've never been up here at all. Never even walked. I don't mean I've never cycled it, but up here. Oh my god, I've never ever been to Big Almaty Lake. It's a little bit like living in London for 20 years and never going to, I don't know, off the top of my head, it wouldn't be Buckingham Palace because that's inside the city, but that's going to, don't know, can't think of a suitable analogy. Still, it's strange. I've been saving it, you see, for a special day. And I don't know how tough the last bit is, but this is I'll take a screenshot. Just give me an excuse to stop. Suppose you could say getting my second wind now. The problem with that is I'm not. I'm getting my last wind. It's been a fantastic ride, but I'll be glad when I get to the top. How clearly you can see right down through that valley. You can see the city. That's where I've come from. Nearly there, nearly there. It's getting, well, it's not getting any harder than it was really when I set out. But when I set out, it was 4 o'clock. Never much at my best at 4 o'clock in the morning. But it's, you know, well, I don't know how many meters I've climbed. 1,500 more, maybe 2,000. Okay. Right, I'm tempted to say it's the home straight, but it's not straight. And it's not home either, but I guess I'm nearly there. going to be yeah, it's going to be tough, but come this far, yeah, what's the point in not doing it, you know? My legs have gone, but what the hell, here we go. Don't get me wrong, Yvonne, it's just a song, Yvonne.
To be on all fours, going out of my mind, trying to get into yours, going out of my mind, trying to get into yours. Don't need to rhyme if it's covered in spores. I'm going out of my mind.
Почти там, да? Почти на озеро. Right, so the top, where I'm going, the top.